Want to recover deleted CapCut projects on your iPhone? This usually happens if projects were accidentally deleted or lost due to app glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted CapCut projects step by step. So let's get started. Method 1. Check Trash folder. First, open up the CapCut app, then make sure that you are logged in on CapCut, then tap on Project tab below. Now here, tap Trash in the top. If the project was manually deleted, CapCut keeps it in the trash for up to 7 days. If you find it, tap the 3 dots next to it and then tap Restore. Method 2. Check iCloud Drive. Open up the Files app on your iPhone, then select Browse below. Next, make sure to open iCloud Drive. Now tap on the search bar and search CapCut. See if your missing project file is stored there. If not, follow my next solution. Solution 3. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. This is how you can recover your deleted CapCut projects using your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.